I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can transfer money from Wise into your bank account. First off, you'll have to log in or create an account with Wise. After that, click the send money button right there. And then you just have to type in the amount you'd like to transfer. So for example, on this image I have right now, I want to send about $1,000 to the European version. So I'm getting 1,000 euros, right? And then after that, you just have to click on continue on the bottom there. And then who are you sending this money to? So for example, it'll just be myself since it's my bank account, right? So after that, fill in the bank details of the account that will receive the money. So of course, if it's inside or outside of Europe, you'll have to enter in a different type of information. But since we're inside of Europe, we're just gonna have to put in our full name and then the IPAN. After that, you just have to review the details of your transfer and then click the confirm and continue button. And then after that, that's it. You're done. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.